Do juvenile courts lose jurisdiction over youth after they turn 18?
Actually, no. A juvenile court can retain jurisdiction over a juvenile delinquent until they're 21 years old. That is a common misconception that most people think, you know, hey, if I'm 18 years old, then the court automatically loses jurisdiction over, and that's not the case at all. There are, when you're talking about some more of the severe cases, the violent crimes, you can stay in DYS, Division of Youth Services, up until you're 21 years old, and the court retains jurisdiction up until that time.
Do you move into an adult prison if you're continuing your service, or?
Most of the time, no, because typically when you're in DYS, you're also part of a specific program that is tailored at DYS to specific offenses and to juveniles. Mm-hmm. So again, you'll probably stay in a DYS facility, and oftentimes you continue to stay in that facility because you haven't completed the requirements to get out. So that's typically why you're there anyway.
And I would think consistency is a good thing, because oftentimes clients at that age don't have that within their life anyways.
That is right. That is correct. Absolutely. Being consistent and showing that consistency to these people is something that they typically have not had growing up. And again, it's providing the resources to them so they understand that I don't have to continue down this path. This doesn't have to define me. And unfortunately, there's just so many situations where the resources haven't been available to a juvenile, whether it be, their parents aren't around, or it's a single parent situation. Maybe mom works all the time, and they're just missing that ray of hope. They're just missing that person that can put their arm around them and say, hey, look, man, you're really screwing up here. You need to turn your life around. You really need to turn the corner. And I find out so much with my juvenile clients that's really all they want. You're not yelling at them. You're providing that hope to them, and it's somebody's taking an interest in what they're doing and telling them, hey man, I see you, and this doesn't have to be you.
I feel like Combs Waterkotte has a new tagline, a ray of hope.